Speedlancer Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be exploring Speedlancer, a freelancer platform designed for fast, high-quality service delivery. You can find the links to the platform in the description below, so make sure to check that out for more information. Speedlancer is unique because it focuses on delivering quick turnaround projects. It's perfect for freelancers who specialize in tasks that can be completed in 24 hours, such as content creation, design, or web development. The platform is built to help businesses meet tight deadlines by providing access to professionals who can complete tasks rapidly without compromising quality. The platform operates by matching clients with pre-vetted freelancers based on their project needs. What's great about Speedlancer is its emphasis on speed, with projects typically requiring completion within a day. Freelancers can select from a range of job types, all designed to be completed in short bursts, which makes it ideal for those who excel at working under pressure and delivering high-quality work on a deadline. One key feature is the streamlined process for both freelancers and clients. Businesses submit projects with detailed instructions, and Speedlancer automatically matches them with qualified freelancers who can complete the tasks in the required timeframe. The system reduces unnecessary back-and-forth communication, making it highly efficient for both parties. For freelancers, Speedlancer provides a reliable source of work with a focus on fast, simple tasks. It's an excellent choice for those who want to stay productive by tackling a variety of quick projects while maintaining a steady flow of income. Payment is competitive and timely, ensuring freelancers are compensated for their expertise. In summary, Speedlancer is a great platform for freelancers who specialize in fast-paced, short-term tasks. It's perfect for those looking to capitalize on their ability to deliver quality results on tight deadlines. If you're a freelancer who thrives on speed and efficiency, Speedlancer might be the right fit for you. Check out the links in the description to get started.